Hey everyone, this is Pharaoh Silver, the Pharaoh of Beer Money Finance, and I am back with another Beer Money review. This week, I am going to be reviewing a Receipt Rewards app for the first time in a bit. This is Receipt Hog. Receipt Hog was created in 2011 and is currently owned by Chicago data company MarketTrack LLC, who also do business as the company, product numerator, and have currently scanned over 1 billion receipts in the last 14 years. Receipt Hog is a rewards app that rewards you for trips to the grocery store. If you've been on this channel for any longer than a couple of months, you are pretty well aware of what receipt apps are, so I don't really have to do too much of a description to explain what receipt apps do. And plus, it's also pretty straightforward. I don't mention them much, and while by themselves they don't pay really much, some do pay better than others. Receipt Hog is amongst the better of them, I think. Once you scan a receipt, it takes a little bit to be rewarded. Sometimes it shows up within minutes, other times it takes a couple of days. You are awarded their currency called coins, their in-app currency. You are awarded based on how much you paid in the receipt. For less than $10, you get 5 coins. From $10 to $50, you get 10 coins. $50 to $100, you get 15, and anything beyond $100, you'll receive 20 coins. The rates have been steady since they started, which is nice considering how everything else has been nerfed over time. Here are some of the examples of the types of stores that they do accept. They accept receipts from supermarkets, convenience stores, supercenters, club stores, liquor stores, dollar stores, pet supply stores, toy stores, drug stores, beauty stores, health stores, and mom and pop bodegas. Basically, no gas stores, no restaurants, just places you go and buy packaged goods. The receipt has to be less than 2 weeks old, and they will only reward the first 20 receipts each week. You also earn a set of spins if it is your first receipt uploaded that week. It will be, and if we go over here, I can show you that one. Down here, it is two spins for the first week, 2 for the second week, 2 for the third week, and then 6 if you do all 4 weeks. Matter of fact, as of this recording, I probably should be getting that second week receipt done now. You can also get an additional spin for any non-packaged food or drug place you can earn a receipt on, like clothing stores, electronic stores. The list is here: arts and crafts, sporting goods, home improvement, and specialty stores, and there are others down here as well. Again, no gas receipts, sorry. They also have a leveling system, and you gain 1 XP every week that you upload your first food or drug receipt. Each new level earns you new prizes. You can see the levels here, starting with just spins when you get to level 2, 3, 4, and you get those like once every week. I think once you get beyond level 5, it starts becoming more than 1 a week. And it does go up pretty quickly. As you can see, I'm currently 20% of the way to the next level for me, which means I will need to upload a receipt 15 weeks in order to get to level 14, but it's kind of worth it because it stops becoming spins, like, right here at 11, and then starting level 12, you will get coins every single time you level up. 100 when you reach level 12, 125 when you reach 13, 150 when you reach 14, and so on. They also have achievements. This is actually one of their newer features in the last few years, and it works like any gamification system. Do the achievement, get the reward. Here's one for me for remarkable receipts. Well, this is a current achievement I'm working on, and I need to upload 500 receipts. I've currently uploaded 276. But once I do, I will earn 100 coins, 50 sweepstakes tickets, and 10 free spins. Now, every receipt you upload, minus gas receipts, will earn you 1 ticket to their sweepstakes. They hold a sweepstakes once a month, and yeah, they pretty much give these tickets out like candy. And the prizes range anywhere from 5 to 50,000 coins, and the more tickets you have, the more that you win. But the chances of earning anything past 10 coins is crazy low. I usually see around 1.5 to 2 million tickets every month. So assuming, let's just say, a 1.5 million ticket month, the chance of you earning any prize at all is usually around 6 to 10% each month, depending on how many receipts that you have. Now, me personally, I've only ever won a sweepstakes twice, once with a 10-coiner and another a 5-coiner, so the earnings I get from sweepstakes tickets to me are negligible. Now, to get to the slots, they are a little better than negligible, but once you get to the slots, you'll see this little one here right here under rewards. You're going to tap rewards, and you're going to go to Hog Slots. And here at Hog Slots, you can go ahead and spin your spins. You win coins based off of the prize pool that you see here, anywhere from 2 coins for 3 pizzas, up to winning your last daily trip. So I'm going to go ahead and spin the wheel here. Oh, look at that. I got a pizza. There's my 2 coins. Well, you know, I won 2 coins. Awesome. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And that's all you have to do with the slots. And you will earn spins upon each, completed receipt. You get a free spin, again, for receipts that are not food or drug related and not gas related. And you also will receive bonus spins, usually either in promo offers or when you upload your first receipt each week. The referral system is pretty straightforward. You just get 250 coins and 5 spins to your friends who joins with your code and snaps their first receipt. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And yeah, that is my code up there. It is FIN86476. I will have that on the description below. Now, one thing you probably noticed at this point is I never talked about how much you actually earn, like in real dollars. I've only talked about it in the form of coins, unless you're reading the flavor text I put up in this video. Now, while they don't have a straight translation from coins to dollars, I usually go with 200 coins to $1, and you can get better than that. Let me go to PayPal here to give you an example. Yes, I'm aware that there are better than 200 coins to $1 here. You got the 6,500 coins to $40, which translates to about 162 coins to $1. However, good luck getting that much unless you can get it from referrals. Y'all remember during my beer money portfolio how much of a pain it was for me to finally cash out $15 from Receipt Hog. It took me about 6 months. Well, now you see why. It's quite the slog, but if you're into receipt apps at all, you've probably heard of these guys and used them. So the pros with Receipt Hog, they are one of the better paying receipt apps out there, so if you're into receipt apps, it's definitely something to add to your list, and you don't have to have just one. There are people that use 10 to 15 at a time. I myself use about 8 of them. The gamification system they do has been done pretty well, in my opinion, and they are one of the few apps that allow for 2-week-old receipts. Most places only allow a 7-day limit. The cons, however, is that the pay is extremely low, as are most receipt apps, especially for the rather relative work that you're going to be doing compared to other things like playing games. They don't accept gas receipts, and most other places do. They do have a survey option as well, but I didn't show it here because they were so rare, and I've only ever gotten one of them just ever, and they only paid out like 100 coins. So, like, the amount of surveys that I managed to get have been so rare that I felt like it wasn't even worth talking about on this video. And finally, the tickets and spins it just feels kind of like there for fluff. I really feel like you're not going to get too many coins out of it. Tickets, you're going to probably get none. In the several years that I have been with Receipt Hog, I've only ever gotten 15 coins from tickets. Spins are a little better, but you're still averaging something like 1 coin, maybe less than 1 coin a spin. So it doesn't really feel like you're earning anything with tickets and spins. Overall, I got to give it a yellow. I tried to justify giving this a blue rating. I really did. They are a dependable, legitimate app, and by receipt app standards, they pay all right. But to be honest, there's only one receipt app that deserves the blue rating, and it's not this one. Well, maybe 2, but it depends on what you consider proper cash out. I mean, it's a fine app, don't get me wrong, but the value just isn't there unless you shop a lot, but not too much. The limits don't exactly curb yoinking receipts from another shopper who might leave them somewhere, while heavily limiting how much you can really earn in a month. Like other receipt apps, they need to add something. They're doing that with surveys. As I mentioned here, there's so few far in between, I literally forgot they existed in the original draft for this review. Okay, everyone, that's the video. My referral code is on the description below, FIN86476, if you want to check out Receipt Hog for yourself. I know not exactly a shining endorsement, but they are legit, and if you like receipt apps, I mean, it is definitely one of the better ones. If you like this video, give it a like, comment what you think of this app, and don't forget to subscribe to Beer Money Engine as we continue the road to 5,000 subscribers, and I'd love to have y'all join us. I'm Pharaoh Silver signing out. I'll see y'all next time. Bye, everybody.